how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the ScareCorp channel. This is part 2 of the JVC 220 camera review. In this video we're showcasing 1080p versus the 720p video that was here that I shot just earlier. So this is 1080p, and we just want to show you what the difference is between 720 and 1080 with this camera. So let's take a look at some of the devices again that we had just previously. So can we see a difference between 720 and 1080? Now I know YouTube is 720, but will the camera do something else that will, maybe the video grain or something else would be different here? So okay, and the hard drive, indoor test, 1080p. The HDMI cable. Also, can you notice any sound difference? There shouldn't really be any. And I'm going to try to upload this without putting it through any software or anything like that. I'm just gonna dump it right on the computer and hit the upload. So there's no codec or anything like that involved. And lastly, the ATI Radeon card. Okay, not too bad. Focuses nicely. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Nice and quick and short. Watch my other video for the 720p just in case you missed it. It's somewhere over here. And compare the two. Let me know what you think. Is 720p and 1080p through YouTube the same, or is the 1080p in this video a lot better than the other one? So leave those comments down below. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button. I will do more of the reviews on this camera, and I want to know what you guys think. Alright, well, that is it for my time. I do thank you for yours. Have a good one. Bye.